careful about online security, but are we really, especially in this time of year when so many people are buying things online?
Right. Well, a new BYU study finds when it comes to online warnings, people generally just ignore them. Bill Gephardt gets it on why.
This website is not trusted. Warning, threat detected. Just two of the many warnings many internet users simply ignore and click past. But is it because we've grown accustomed to these warnings?
I'm just trying to get my task accomplished, and this is interrupting, and I don't think anything serious is going to happen, so I'm just going to ignore it for now. Maybe I'll deal with it later if it comes back again.
Or is it something deep inside our brains telling us, it's okay, go on, don't worry about it, it's nothing?
Sort of the difference between what your brain knows and what you know, or what your brain says you're going to do and what you say you're going to do.
Brain versus experience was the matchup behind a new BYU study into risky online behavior. Researchers first surveyed participants on how they felt about cybersecurity. Next, each person donned a hairnet of sorts loaded with 128 sensors to scan their brain's response to risk. Then, using their personal laptops, each participant clicked through dozens of images of Batman, deciding whether an image was a photo or a drawing.
They were getting points for everyone they would get right, and if they got a certain amount right, and there was a little progress bar on the bottom so they could keep track where they were. If they kept it in the green, they'd get bonus extra credit points.
And participants loved those bonus points, so much so that when an error popped up warning they could be on a website riddled with malware that could hurt or take over their own laptops, many of them opted to proceed anyway to get back to the game.
We were surprised by just how much they disregarded the warnings.
Eventually, this screen popped up with a countdown and saying the Algerian hacker now has their files. It was fake, but the participants did not know that.
We could hear from our control room over some panic noises and people yanking out the cable to the internet.
Some people powered off the machines, some people slammed their laptop lid shut.
Comparing those results to brain scans, the researchers say brain waves give you a better picture of how serious a person takes internet security than you'd get by simply asking them.
What you say you're going to do is different than what you actually do, but your brain activity predicts what you're actually going to do.
Bill Gephardt, KSL 5 News.
Wow, so interesting.
Oh,
well,
man.
The team says they're now working on further studies to figure out better ways to train users to behave securely online.
It's so easy, though, just to click that, go away. It's probably fine.
Right.
It's no big deal. My antivirus software will pick it up, right?
Right.
Happening today, the Christmas season begins.